observe that carefully and make a note in your notebooks. What is there in that picture? I'll give you 5 seconds for observing each picture. First time. Take a note of it. Finish. Second one. Next. That means you will observing it carefully. Next. 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 Okay. Now 9. After 9, which is the other multiple? 12. Now, for example, if I want to I'm having a card. I will transfer this card to her. She has to transfer to her. You have to transfer to her, and then she has to get it. After how many transfer you receive the card? 3 is it? Fine. Next. After how many transfer you receive the card? 3. Next. Pass it to 12. After how many transfer? 3. Similarly, can you pass it to 15? How many? Sit down. Now, those who are standing here as multiples of 3, we call them as terms in arithmetic progression. What do we call? Terms. Stand up. What was your number? Show it to them. The first digit of that multiple, we call it as first term. What do we call? First term. First term. When they are transferring the card, how many times did they transfer? 3 times. 3 times. We call it as common difference. Understood? Now, I want the multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Just raise your hand. Who is having 7? Stand. Come forward. Show your card. What this term will be called as? First term. Now you are going to transfer it until it is 14. How many people transferred you? 7. Louder? 7. Next. To next multiple you are going to transfer. How many transfer you got this card? Did you count? It was a multiple of 7. Count from whom it got transferred? 7. Okay, understood? Any doubt in this first term and common difference? Using these two words, first term and common difference, you are going to frame the definition for arithmetic progression. Who will try? Try to define the arithmetic progression. Fast. 2 terms are there, first term and common difference. Pothraj will try. Okay, good. Any other answers? Okay. For each term there will be common difference. Now we will understand the meaning of definition of arithmetic progression. Now Suchitra will read this louder.
An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to a preceding term except the first term.
Good. Now I hope you have understood. It is the list of numbers. That is why I have given the numbers to you. List of numbers in which you will be getting the next number if you are adding the common difference to it. That is the definition. Any doubt in this definition? Will one of you define it? Mahesh? Adding same numbers. What the same number is called as? Okay. Now for understanding the general form of arithmetic progression, now you are going to try And these are the bindis. How many bindis are there in the first one? Here, in the first line? Here? Okay. Now, if you consider this as the first term, as A, in arithmetic progression, we call the first term as represented by small a, and the common difference as small b. So, here A we have the same thing. What do we call this one? Second term is this. Second term of arithmetic progression. A is here. A is here in the second term. A plus B. This is the common difference. When you add this to this, you will get 6. Similarly, here this is A. Again A. How many D you are adding? 2D. Here how many D you are added? 1D. Here? Here. 3D. A is here and A is again here. How many D? 4D. As the number is increasing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the number of D is less than 1. To represent that, the general form we have A, comma A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and it continues up to n minus 1D. Understood? So, the formula for representing the arithmetic progression is an is equal, an is the last term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into common difference. Any doubt in this? Make a note of this formula. Take out this formula. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, by using this formula, we will calculate some problems. I count 3 volunteers. 3 volunteers. Come. Come, father. Now show the cards to your friends. What is the number? Yours? What is your number? Now, if we take the first term as 3, A as 3, okay, and common difference as 12. Can we find the 13th term of arithmetic progression? Can we find? Using the formula, we know the A value and D value. What is the N value? N value is the 13, this is the D value, and this is the A value. 147. Clear? Now, we will conduct one rapid fire session. This will be team A and this will be team B. I will give you few questions and you are going to answer it and pass it to me. Who is going to write the answer correctly, that team will be the winners. Pass it. 4 questions are here. Write it fast and give it back to me. Write the answer. Write the answer. Come on. Those who have written the answer, show the answer to them. Read out what it says.
100, 95, 90, 85, next to 80.
Is it correct? Okay. Clap for them. 1/2, 3/2, 5/2, 7/2.